welcome to today's product review. I have our guest star with us today, Polar Bear, and that is because we have the MidWest Homes dog crate that I'm going to be showing you. So, show you how easy this crate is to set up. Oh, looks like my guest star ran off. This easy to set up, super simple. Just like that. Like that. There you go. You put this little latch on it down at the bottom. And there you go. So here is the dog crate. I'm gonna show you up close. Oh, and there's my dog Polar Bear. She is about the size of a corgi as far as height. Strange body size. But back to the dog crate. And here is the dog. Okay, now I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to break this down. Come on, Polar Bear. Let's show them how it does. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Super easy to break this down. Just go like this. Put this down. Here you go. Put it in. Voila. And now it is ready to go. And it comes with a carrying handle as well. But I currently do not have the carrying handle with it, but it does help quite a bit to carry it and for the functionality of it. And I give this a 5-star review. This is the 36-inch with a divider. So I hope this helps you with your purchasing decision. And until next time, peace.